All right, if you're looking for a shaver to shave your head, if you're bald and maybe you're gonna shave it for the first time, or even if you're just gonna work on your beard for the most part, this is a great little shaver here. It's a 5-in-1 grooming kit. I have it right here and I've been using it for the last little while. I just recently decided, let's shave the head and see what it's all about. So this is it right here. You can see how many blades. We got 5 around and then 1 in the middle, so 6 total blades. They flex like this. This is after use, so it's dirty, right? And it cleans really easily. Pulls right out just like that. So you can add other things to it. And it comes with a whole bunch of different heads and trimmers and everything. So if you want a beard trimmer here, you can see it has even the guards. So you can kind of lengthen the size you want. You also get a nose trimmer, which is nice. You get a brush here. I'm not sure if this is for exfoliating or not, if you put like some soap or whatever. I never use this piece, but it is there and it spins on the head. I'll show you how this works and you'll hear the sound as well. So see, and it spins. That's with this one. When you put the shavers on, sounds like this. It's kind of loud in my opinion, but I mean, you're shaving your head, so you're expecting to hear some sound. What's cool about this one, it has a digital sort of battery meter here. It says availability, it says time of use. So that's 90 minutes. And as you use it, it changes and it'll let you know how long you've been using it for. So for me, like sometimes 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, depending on how much hair you have on your head or wherever you're shaving. You also have some other guards, a little brush. It comes with this rubber thing here as well. I don't know what this is. I mainly got this for this part and to groom a little bit, but that's about it. So you get all of this plus your instruction manual, and now I'll just get into how it works and if it works good or not. So like I said, I got this to shave my head, see how that went, and I've been doing it for the last little while in the summer. It has a nice grip up here and it works very well. It cuts down the hair fairly quick. You run over your scalp just like this. It doesn't hurt. I have moles on the side of my head there and it didn't cause any issues. Can run right over them without a problem. It's great for the back of your neck as well. I don't really have any issues with it. I also use the nose trimmer. It works well. I mean, it trims your nose. And I use the groomer. The only thing I didn't like about the groomer attachment here is I don't want to use this exact blade, so I like to use the guard. I've had this issue with pretty much every beard trimmer that I've had. It just takes a while. Like, it's not a fast process with the beard trimming attachment, but for the head shaving bald, it almost feels like it goes skin on certain places. Like, it's not going to be as good as a blade, but it's pretty close and it doesn't irritate me, doesn't irritate the scalp or the skin or anything like that. I find it to work really well. You get all of these different attachments inside. And honestly, it was the first one I bought. I had another one, this one right here, but this one has 3 blades, a little older, and I found that with the extra blades that cut here, it's so much easier. Now, one thing I really liked about this one too is cleanup is super easy. It just pops open like this. You just pop open these little lids here, and you can see all the hair coming right out. You kind of shake it out, and then you can run it underwater. Just clean it up that way. I have a spray also that I use to disinfect, but you can see, you know, it's pretty easy to clean. And then you just close them up, snap it back on. I mean, it doesn't get any easier. And I like the size of this one. So if you travel, this is perfect. You just take it with you. You need a clean shave wherever you are. You're good to go. So this is the one I've been using. If you're looking for a head shaver, beard trimmer kind of combination, this one right here is working really well for me, and it might be for you.